Ndewo. Welcome back. Today's class will continue from where we stopped. Remember, we are talking about the topic called Akara, edemede, Igbo, which is punctuation mark. And we've discussed and listed 14 of them, and we've discussed 5. Today, we are talking about the 6th one. So I'll be telling you the 6th one. The 6th one is called Akara. Akara, which is quotation mark. We have so many other ways that we also use this quotation mark. 1. When you want to write exactly what someone said, that is a direct speech. When you want to quote someone, when you want to say exactly without adding your own word to it, you want to quote someone exactly what they said, that is when you use this Akara, which is quotation mark. Example, Chiamaka said, "Give me water, let me drink." Chiamaka said, "Give me water, let me drink." This is where we use quotation mark. Another way that we use this quote, okay, in Igbo, as my manner used to be, ma na-ede ihe mmadụ kwuru kpọmkwem. We use this quotation mark mgbe a na-ede ihe mmadụ kwuru kpọmkwem ka o si wee kwuo ya. Ọmụmaatụ, Chiamaka kwuru, "Nye m mmiri ka m ṅụọ." Chiamaka kwuru, "Nye m mmiri ka m ṅụọ." The second way that we also make use of this quotation mark, which is Akara ngwu, is it is used to show the topic in a poetry. It is used to show the topic in a poetry. In a poetry, you will see so many topics in it. So when you want to lift one topic from a poetry written, what you will do is to add quotation mark. Example, Ogbanje. Ogbanje is the title, the topic in that particular poetry. Ogbanje is one of the poetry in Akbuche. Akbuche is the title of the book, while Ogbanje is the topic that is seen, one of the topic in that poetry. So in Igbo, a na-eji ezipụta aha edemede na-abụghị akwụkwọ. Ọmụmaatụ, Ogbanje bụ otu abụ dị n'Akbuche. Ogbanje bụ otu abụ dị n'Akbuche. The third way that we also make use of this Akara, which is quotation mark. The third way is also used while listing semi-vowels or vowel. We use this quotation mark when we are listing semi-vowels or vowel. In Igbo language, you have semi-vowels and also vowel. So when we are listing them in a sentence or in a book, we must add quotation mark. The example is above. You can see the example on the screen. So in Igbo, Rịkọmngwu na-apụta ìhè mgbe a na-edepụta mkpụrụ nyiridume ma ọ bụ ndume. The examples are the same. Mkpụrụ nyiridume ma ọ bụ ndume. In Igbo language, I did not say in English now, only in Igbo language. When we want to write it out, we must use the quotation mark. The fourth way that we make use of this quotation mark, it is used to show the title of a radio or TV program. It is used to show the title of a radio or TV program. Example, The Morning Show, that is always shown on Arise TV. The Morning Show is a title of a TV program that we normally see on Arise TV, Arise channel, which is a TV program. In Igbo, a na-eji ezipụta aha mmemme a na-eme na redio ma ọ bụ TV. A na-eji ezipụta aha mmemme a na-eme na redio ma ọ bụ TV. Ọmụmaatụ, morning show a na-eme na Arise Channel. Morning show a na-eme na Arise Channel. Morning show is the title. Morning show is the topic. This particular channel called Arise TV, there are some programs they do. So one of them is morning show. The next one, which is number 5, it is used to show the work of na. While listing them, it is used to show, remember I told you that I will teach you this particular topic called ọrụ na, the work of na. So while listing the work of na, in that particular sentence that you are writing now, when you want to write the na, you must put the quotation mark. In Igbo, Rịkọmngwu na-arụ ọrụ mgbe a na-edepụta ọrụ dị iche iche na na-arụ. When you are writing the work of na, not only na, ha, ga, kwa, and so many other things that we also write in Igbo language. Maybe the work of these particular things in the sentence. When we are writing it, we don't write it exactly like that. When you want to say, I want to teach you the work of na in a particular, so that na in that sentence, we must put quotation mark. In all, the last and not but the least, it is used to write a particular word in Igbo that have no Igbo name. You know, technology came and so many other things came, which is helping in the development of our language. When you want to write some borrowed words, not Igbonizing the word, there is a difference between writing a word exactly the way it is from that particular language into Igbo language and Igbonizing. This one we are not Igbonizing. We are writing the Igbo word exactly the way it is in that English, in that our Igbo book. Example is table, not Igbonized table. If you are writing table exactly as table, you must put the quotation mark. Another example is biology. Another example is chemistry. When you are writing all these, you must put it in quotation mark. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next videos. God.